Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying it's a HyperX Cloud II and removing all cables. This prevents shorts and lets you access parts safely. Once done, remove ear cup foam and unscrew the visible screws with a Phillips PH0. Make sure to keep screws labeled in a container so reassembly is straightforward. Use a plastic spudger to gently pry the cup housing apart. You're exposing the driver, cable anchor, and mic connector. The components we'll inspect and fix next. You now inspect the driver and cable anchor for frayed wires or cold solder joints. A magnifier helps. If a wire is broken, strip 1-2 mm, tin and reflow with a fine tip iron. This restores signal integrity. Once reattached, gently flex the cable at the anchor while monitoring audio to confirm stability. Then examine the inline controller and USB sound card for loose boards or snapped solder. Replace or resolder small components. Finally, check mechanical parts like you finish by carefully reassembling. Align drivers, reconnect any ribbon or plug connectors, then close the ear cup and replace screws evenly to avoid warping. After reassembly, test on both PC and a phone to isolate headset versus PC driver issues. Try the USB sound card and analog cables separately. If audio or mic still fails, swap in a known good cable or USB card to narrow cause. Troubleshooting tip. If intermittent sound remains, wiggle test while monitoring to pinpoint a fragile wire or
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.